So, they fixed the toilet. I mean, it wasn't broken. I'm just a girl. And he's not gonna do jack shit about the stove. It's my responsibility. Yeah, and I already paid, so I'm actually, like, stuck with it. Yeah. It doesn't work. The back burner smokes a little bit. And this is just literally not even attached. But, like I said, saw that coming. It had to be something. Nobody rents to a single mother with no income for, like, an amazing place. This place was trashed. Every cupboard had trash. There was old food in the fridge. I mean, just, oh man, I left newspaper on one window still so far, just because I had to hang a second blanket because, well, he's not napping. You heard him. He napped for like a half hour earlier. Oh, he's got the dog's water. I have to go. Goodbye.